Turtle Trader Mindset, a story every trader must listen. Let me tell you something honestly. Most traders don't lose because of strategy. They lose because they fight the market, and the market always wins. I learned this deeply from the Turtle Trader philosophy, and today I want to share it with you. Not as a teacher, not as a guru, but as a fellow trader. The first truth: the trend is the truth, not news, not prediction, not your opinion. When the trend is moving, your only job is simple: flow with it. If the trend continues, let it run. Don't hurry, don't get scared. And if you are wrong, cut the losses immediately. No drama, no ego. Trading is not about being right, trading is about being aligned. Most people ask me, how do I know the trend? Simple: breakout. Every big move starts with a breakout. It looks uncomfortable. It looks scary. Your mind will say, this is trap. But many times that breakout is the birth of a big trend. Your mind speaks fear. Rules speaks clarity. Listen to the rules. Now comes the real game. Entry is easy. Exit is the real art. Entry puts you in the trade. Exit makes you rich. You will take many trades. Most will be a small wins or small losses. But listen this carefully. Only a few big trend trades create wealth. And that's why patience matters. That's why trend following is a meditation. You don't force, you allow. Now let's talk about loss, because this is where most traders break. Stop loss is not your enemy. Stop loss is your protection. A stop loss simply says, I was wrong and I respected the rule. Loss is not punishment. Loss is the entry fee for your next opportunity. One big loss can destroy you. One big trend can change you. That's why we choose small losses. Always. Position size changes everything. When your position is big, your mind is noisy. When your position is right, your mind is calm. Calm mind, clear decision. If you know one thing clearly, that a big losses is impossible, you trade better, you sleep better, you live better. Risk control give you freedom. Now the most important part, your mind. Let me say this clearly. Trading does not run on charts. Trading runs in your mind. Fear, greed, FOMO, ego. These are the real enemies. Turtle traders were not special. They were emotionally disciplined. They followed rules even when it felt uncomfortable. If the rule says stay, they stayed. If the rule says exit, they exited. No emotions, no justifications, just rules. This is the truth. Strategy can learn. Charts you can study. But mindset you must practice daily. Discipline is not boring. Discipline is freedom. Discipline gives clarity, stability, fearlessness. Discipline is not a habit. it will become your identity. So remember this: trend gives you the path, breakout gives you the entry, risk gives you safety, mindset gives you power, discipline gives you freedom. Rules are your God, discipline is your ethics, trend is your path, and you are the warrior. If this message helped you, don't just like the video, apply it, because listeners stay average, action takers become free. I will see you on the right side of the trend. Thank you very much. This is Chatarpal Singh.